If you're selling a home for the first time, or even second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth time, we have the 6 critical mistakes that you need to avoid if you want a successful sale. Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. And here's the thing, selling a home for the first time can be such an exciting yet daunting experience. And it's such a significant financial transaction. Making mistakes can cost you tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't worry, we got your back. Whether you're relocating for a new job, you're downsizing, or you're simply looking for a change, it's crucial to navigate the home selling process with care and attention to detail. In this video, we're going to explore some of the common pitfalls that first-time home sellers need to avoid to ensure a smooth and successful sale. So let's get right into it. Number 1, mistake I see all the time, overpricing your home. And it's, again, one of the most common mistakes that first-time, really any sellers make, is overpricing their property. While it's natural to want to maximize your ROI or return on investment, setting an unrealistic asking price can backfire in a major way. Overpriced homes will sit and linger on the market. They'll deter potential buyers and ultimately lead to a lower sale price. So work closely with a reputable real estate agent who can provide comparative market analysis and help you strategically price your home for the win. Mistake number 2, neglecting necessary repairs and necessary updates. Buyers are often looking for, let's call it the move-in ready homes. And so neglecting necessary repairs and updates can be such a deal breaker. Before you list your home, take the time to address any major issues such as leaky faucets, outdated appliances, worn out flooring. These repairs can not only increase your home's appeal, but also prevent potential buyers from using them as negotiation leverage. Remember, you don't always have to make sure your home is turnkey, and it's best to not do any massive renovations before selling your home. Generally speaking, you're not going to get your money back. But take your real estate agent's advice on what repairs and upgrades are critical to make in your market. Mistake number 3, failing to declutter and stage your home. A cluttered or poorly staged home can make it challenging for buyers to envision themselves living there. And that means they won't make an offer. So take the time to declutter, depersonalize, and stage your home to highlight its best features. Remove any excess furniture, family photos, personal items, and consider hiring a professional stager to create an inviting and appealing atmosphere. Mistake number 4, underestimating the power of curb appeal. First impressions, you know what they say, they matter. And your home's curb appeal can significantly impact a buyer's initial perception of the home. Ensure that your landscaping is well maintained, the exterior is freshly painted if needed, and any necessary repairs to the driveway, walkways, or exterior features are addressed. A welcoming and well-kept exterior can set the tone for such a positive viewing experience. Number 5, failing to disclose defects or issues. Honesty is the best policy when you're selling a home. And if you fail to disclose known defects or issues with your property, it can lead to serious legal complications and damage your credibility. Be upfront about any significant repairs, renovations, or issues that potential buyers should be aware of. Transparency can help build trust and avoid potential disputes down the line. Finally, mistake number 6, ignoring professional advice. While it's totally normal to have personal attachment to your home, we get it. It's essential to listen to the advice of professionals such as your real estate agent or a home inspector. They have the expertise and the experience to guide you through the selling process and provide valuable insights into pricing, marketing strategies, and necessary preparations. Ignoring that expertise can be extremely costly. How do you know if they're making the right call? Well, partner with a professional that you can trust always acts in your best interest. Also known as a fiduciary. Selling a home for the first time can be really complex, it can be emotional, but avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of a successful and stress-free sale. Remember, preparation, transparency, seeking professional guidance, all keys to navigating the home selling process with confidence. And if you are concerned about misstepping or missing your opportunity, with our professional team, you won't. reach out today and start reaching your goals. Again, I'm Sean Reddy of the Keller Williams Reddy Group. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.